Mexico, a country brimming with natural treasures and captivating human creations. From the astounding beauty of ancient Mayan ruins to the remarkable splendor of its jungles and seas. And among all this natural beauty, something different stands tall, strong, reliable, and built with care. A hangar door designed to meet the needs of modern industry right here in Mexico. Standing side by side, two massive hangar doors, each 36 meters wide and 9 meters high, command the space. With wind resistance up to 160 kilometers per hour, they are built to endure even the toughest conditions. High insulation keeps the interior safe from extreme temperatures and dust, ensuring efficiency in all seasons. Thanks to their smart design, installation is fast, and maintenance is simpler and more affordable than with traditional systems. These doors are more than just entry points. They are a blend of engineering, durability, and modern function. Built for today, ready for the future, right here in the heart of Mexico. Presented by Shipyard Door.